Corporations, governments, and cyber criminals all want your private data. Be sure to protect it with IPVanish. Link is in the description. Hello, everybody. It is the Naughty Investor here coming at you with another video. Bakkt platform Phase 2 is developing with Starbucks and Microsoft. Let's get into it, and then I could give my thoughts. Bakkt could be on track to start developing the Phase 2 of its roadmap. Bakkt is the platform owned by ICE. The Phase 2 of the operations include participation from Microsoft and Starbucks. The information was released by The Block a few days ago. Bakkt is developing its own platform. According to some reports, Bakkt is working on its investment platform for institutional investors. A few days ago, CEO of Bakkt said in a Medium article that they were delaying the launch of the platform until January of 2019. The previous date was December of 2018. Quote, given the volume of interest in Bakkt and work required to get all of the pieces in place, we will now be targeting January 24th, 2019 for our launch to ensure that our participants are ready to trade on day one. When the platform was announced, the ICE informed that they were working with other brands such as Microsoft and Starbucks. The Phase 2 might use Microsoft's cloud solutions in order to allow individuals to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. It was also possible to store and spend virtual currencies on a global payment network. Starbucks will also play an important role in Bakkt's plan to bring new customers to the virtual currency market. In the future, Starbucks customers could convert cryptocurrencies to USD and make purchases with them. Back in August, the vice president of partnerships and payment at Starbucks said, quote, as a flagship retailer, Starbucks will play a pivotal role in developing practical, trusted, and regulated applications for consumers to convert their digital assets into US dollar for use at Starbucks. Several new customers, most millennials, will be able to use Bitcoin and other virtual currencies for daily purchases. There are other companies working in order to launch platforms for institutional investors. Fidelity Investments and Goldman Sachs are planning to launch specific products for wealthier and traditional investors. The virtual currency market has been in a bear trend since the beginning of the year. So, in my opinion, I think Bakkt is going to be huge. I think Fidelity's new product is going to be huge as well. I think there's going to be good competition in the institutional crypto investing sphere. Now, when it comes to Bakkt, one of the things people need to realize is that most traditional investors do not want to buy stuff through Coinbase. I'm being real with you. Traditional investors, institutional investors, they don't want to submit things and buy it on their phone with some app. They want to have a trading desk. They want to have everything legitimate, trusted names. Not that Coinbase is not trusted, they are, but they want to be with brands they're familiar with. So that's where you get Fidelity. That's where you get Bakkt, because it's owned by ICE, Intercontinental Exchange, and that is what people want. So the big problem in crypto right now is there's no new volume. Everyone is in crypto who has been in it for a while. There's not a ton of new people coming in. This is going to change that, because this is going to allow more people to come into the space. So when there are huge sell-offs, it's easier for the long-term investors and the traders to buy into that dip, and then it recovers and it bounces. What we've been seeing is sell-offs, but there's no one to grab the falling knife, and that is why the crypto markets have been declining. Next up, we have the markets today. A little bit of a bounce, a couple $1 billion added, Bitcoin up 3%, just above 4,000 on the day, XRP at just under 40 cents, and Ethereum at 117 US dollar. Bitcoin dominance at 54.2%. Today's biggest gainer is Linkkey with 16.40% and Factom with 14.9%. Biggest loser today is Maker down 8.33% and MOAC with 7.38%. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share. I appreciate it always, guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Have a great day.